guys, what is up? So today I just found a parking spot because first I'm in my car because I have a family member that's staying with us at the current moment, and he has medical issues and can't drive to his appointments. So last week was ER, this week is appointments. So we are waiting in the car and doing some errands. I just got a sweet potato latte from a Korean coffee shop in here, and it's okay. I like the sweet potato flavor, but the coffee is kind of bland. But anyways, second, I'm here because a friend said she likes car vlogs. So I did one a couple months ago, but here I am again, making use of the time just waiting in the car. And so I figured I would talk about patent leather bags. So I have only two really patent leather items. Oh, and Atlee's in the back listening to videos. I only have two patent leather items. I have this Fendi Maxi Baguette, and I have a Cole Haan nude pumps. And I think there is a stigma about patent leather being fussy. Now, before I purchased this bag, I actually thought that patent leather was kind of fussy too, and that I really didn't want to get it. So I want to ask your guys' opinion on Instagram. So I am here to give you my 2 cents and kind of keep this as an open conversation to let me know what you guys think about patent leather, luxury bags or patent leather items in general, because I was a bit hesitant. Now, I first asked you guys on Instagram 2 years ago when I purchased this. Sorry, I'll take it off. To see what you guys think. The conclusion was half and half. Some of you guys oh my gosh, I love patent bags. They're so easy. You don't have to worry about them. And then the other half was oh my gosh, they're so they can get sticky. You can't repair them in the future. They can get color transfer and so forth. So it was kind of like a 50-50 thing. And so I was ooh, what shall I do? And my experience prior with my Cole Haan nude pumps was I set them next to another pair of leather shoes, and basically the black color transferred into my nude bag and nude shoes, and then I couldn't take the black off. So prior to getting this bag pre-loved, it's a crinkled leather, patent leather. Prior to getting it, I did research online to see what people thought of patent leather, and it was again half and half. People said, well, in the future you won't be able to replace it or repair it as well, go to a leather surgeon, so forth, and then it's hard to get the color marks off of it. Other people were oh my gosh, it's so carefree, like I said earlier. So this wasn't too expensive, and I really wanted the new Fendi Baguette with the logos, all leather, the new one, the new version. But it was too pricey, $3,000 something. I was no. So I love the massive size of it, and so I saw this, and it's a lot bigger, but I wanted to see it kind of do the job, and it has. And so I use this to travel mostly, and the price wasn't too high, so I ended up purchasing it. So I wanted to leave this open and tell you guys my experience. Now, I actually don't think that patent leather is that fussy. So if you're thinking about getting a patent leather bag, I think that personally I wouldn't mind what's it called? If I could get a patent leather bag again, I would. The only hesitation I have is if it's a super expensive bag like a Chanel classic flap that's in patent leather, because one day, say something were to happen to it, how would I ever get it fixed anywhere? I mean, pretty much, I don't know. And when I went onto the forums and did research, they to get color transfer, paint off of it. I don't know how that happens, but somehow they get paint on it. They use acetone to remove it. As far as stickiness goes, I don't know why patent leather bags get sticky. Maybe it's how they store it, but personally I have stored this bag on, I don't let it touch anything but a dust bag. So if this strap is getting stored, I have a dust bag in between it. If this is sitting on my shelf, there's a dust bag underneath it and around it. I don't want it touching anything that had happened to my Cole Haan nude pumps. So that's what I do. And so this is what, I don't know, maybe 10 years now, because I've had it for about 2 years, and it's not sticky. And so personally, patent leather bags aren't fussy. I can like get water on it and just wipe it off. Something can spill on it, just wipe it off. Now, the only thing that I'm careful of is don't store it next to leather items or any other item that's not a dust bag. So in conclusion, I just wanted to say that patent bags are pretty chill. I don't think they're that fussy. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think they're pretty fussy? Do you think that would you ever purchase a patent leather bag? Or it doesn't even have to be luxury, it could be any sort. Let me know what your guys' thoughts, because it was 50-50 on Instagram, so let's see what you guys think on YouTube. All right, so this bag, let's get into what's in this bag, because I actually am carrying things today, because typically I just go to the store and they're like, I'm barely carrying anything. But because I thought I was gonna be out and about, I did carry something that was like like basically how I used to carry things prior to COVID happening. So hopefully you can see it. I think you can. Can you? Yeah. And it's just like a magnetic clasp right here, and I actually have normal things. Typically I just have a wallet and hand sanitizer, but I figured we're gonna be gone and waiting for my father-in-law for a long time, so I have regular stuff. Okay, so first I have 2 red boxes. Every Thursday is like me and my kids like movie night, so I got a Mulan, the movie for Atlee, and Iron Mask, which is a movie with Arnold Schwarzenegger and Jackie Chan, so we'll see how that is. Next I have my vintage Fendi like catch-all, and what do I have in here? I have tons of coins and cash in there. And then next I have a lot of snacks, because we're staying in the car waiting for him. A few snacks, and oh my gosh guys, if you love honey, like I love honey so much, this is like my favorite bar. They're honey bunchies, and basically all it is pure honey, peanuts, pecans, and sunflower kernels. So good. It gives you high energy, and it like really gives me that sugar fix, and so I really like it. But man guys, this is like a black hole, and it's like a cloth on the inside, and then it has little like it says Fendi, and on the top right here it's kind of like a micro suede. So yeah, and then there's a big pocket in the back which I zip up and put my important things in there. Okay, next I have a energy multiplier liquid IV drink. It was like a lemon ginger sample that you put in water. I got it from Costco a long time ago when they did samples. And then I have my mask, which is a lily silk mask, which I absolutely love, because silk helps prevent it doesn't grow bacteria, so you get less maskne, and I like it because I can actually breathe. It is a bit loose, so I just tie knots on the side, so I really like that. I have a fig and basil moisturizing hand lotion. It's massive, but I'm always hydrating, and personally I'm not a fan of the smell. I thought fig and like basil would be like a good smell, but it smells like I don't know, the combo I thought would be like really good and gourmet, but I mean, it's fine. It's kind of like too florally for me, but anyways, I got it from Safeway. Oh, and then these, it's just like a sunglass case for these sunglasses. But in the current moment, I have these in there. I always like to have frames. I wear glasses, and most of them have like lens in them, but lots of times when I take pictures or I film, it like causes a glare, and I can't stand that, and I just love the look of glasses. So these are some of those. I have an extra mask, and then I have my Louis Vuitton catch-all. What is this called? Louis Vuitton, oh my gosh, I'm like drawing a blank, but Demi Azur, and This is so old, I think like 7 years old. And this has more lotion, extra cards, like hand sanitizing wipes. I really like this Burt's Bee Tinted Lip Balm. Oh my gosh, my lips are so dry and I actually have really pale lips. And so this adds like a little tint, and that's kind of the tint. And then I have a lip pencil on like lining my lips. I overlined it. I don't know what it is. I don't know. I don't know what it is, but it's like this color. Yeah. And then, yeah, some other crap in there. Then I have some hand sanitizing wipes. This back pocket that's secure and zipped up normally. I have my Louis Vuitton Damier Graphite key holder, 6 key holder, which I love. JT loves it too. He actually took it for a while. And then I have my LV key clay that's super old too. And I have like my credit cards, debit cards and stuff like that, ID card. I've actually replaced this 2 times already because it's so old, and for free, which a lot of people say you have to pay for it, but for some reason I got it free and I don't know why. And that is it. That is everything in there. So this bag, gosh, it is a huge black hole. This is, oh, wipes. Huge black hole. And I really love it. And I like that it's different, and I like that no one has it. And I like that it gives me the Fendi Mama, it gives me the Fendi Baguette vibes, the large size. I like how I can crossbody it. I love that it, for me personally, is carefree. I love that, personally, I don't carry this much because I don't usually carry this much, but it's a great like travel bag, and it's also a great like if you have to stay in your car and do errands all day or whatnot. So yeah, it's a great errand bag to carry a lot. A few of you guys actually asked me where I purchased it from. I purchased it from here. It's a pre-loved like site, and I actually do see them come and go on like pre-loved sites. And when I do sell it, which I don't think I will, but I know a few of you have asked if I want to sell it, and I'm not thinking about it, but I'll keep you in mind if I ever do. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this car casual vlog. Hopefully the car noise is not so annoying, but if it is, I shall refilm it for you guys. And yeah, let's just keep this an open conversation. Let me know what you guys think about patent leather bags being fussy. Are they good to purchase, or do they not? Do you recommend them or do you not? All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.